If I'm a mad woman.
This is part 1 of the 2-part series, How to Get Your First Push-Ups. Do this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 2 weeks and build the core foundation to get your first push-ups. Feel free to slow this video down at half speed if you want to take it slower. We've got 4 exercises, 2 rounds each, 15 seconds of work if you're a beginner 1, aka the first week, and 30 seconds of work if you're a beginner 2 or the second week. You'll need a chair or a countertop, something with a higher surface to start at an easier level. First up, the chair half push-up. Keeping your elbows at 45-degree angle, tuck your hips, squeeze your glutes and quads, and push away from the chair with your palms.
Mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really.
That's the bell. Beginner 1, you can rest. Otherwise, keep going.
If I'm a mad woman.
Alright, we're doing the half push-up one more time. Don't forget to breathe, inhaling as you come down and exhaling as you push up.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman.
Next up is the chair plank. Make sure not to stick your butt out. You want to tuck your hips and engage your core, bracing and tightening all of the muscles in your core and squeezing your glutes and quads to keep that flat plank. Alright, we're doing that one more time. You've got this.
You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flame my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not.
Now we've got the chair up down. Use those same foundational movements we've learned, keeping the core and lower body tight as you come up and down on each arm.
I think I'm arsenic, but you don't mind that I'm toxic.
One more time through. You showed up here for a reason, so hold on to your truth and keep pushing forward.
You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do? When the flame's going high with my bad patience, I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about. Yeah, you know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not.
Last move is the chair push-up. Building on all the foundations from the first moves, we want to make sure we have the proper form here. Arms at a 45-degree angle, core and legs engaged. We're just a moving plank coming up and down, keeping your whole body tight the whole time.
bad patience. I hate it always falls on you. But you know.
All right, one more time through. Don't compromise your form here. If this is too hard, go back to one of the earlier moves to finish it off. Way to go! Give yourself a pat on the back for getting through this, and don't forget to do this at least 3 times a week to really start seeing your chest and arm strength improve. I'm proud of you for showing up today, and I'll see you at the next workout.